Did you know that we have a matrix view for your transactions? The matrix view is essentially a bird's eye view of all of your transactions. Go to your transaction checklist, select the matrix view at the top, and select the checklist you would like to see. Now you can see all of your chosen transactions and make changes to them while you are in this mode, rather than switching back and forth between windows or separate checklists. I hope this helps, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.